Hello guys, I'm a Harlan Chris to tell you in this tutorials how to go for removal of iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. This is a new iPhone that has been locked to owner, so we would like to unlock it permanently without doing the jailbreaks. At your home without any hassle, you can apply similar strategy and of course you will be able to remove permanently. So first and foremost guys, you will have to open your iTunes and let's have the configuration of Apple database server. What's it saying? Is it really or due to internet access, due to configurations, lack of configuration, it has been stuck on here. So after assessing data, it's saying that lost and there is into the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID behind of that and actual password of it. So quickly, without doing a jailbreaks, if you would like to terminate, then you will have to go for an edge administration. That is a 3U tool, guys. So let's open a 3U tool. In 3U tool, we will have to come in a crash analysis. This is a special way we can remove redundant retaining file and folder after going the inside of these files. We will delete it so that there will be no link. So when once again it will come in iCloud activation log in an Apple database server, then it will detect that there is no link. So I have deleted this one. Second, we will have to open this imaging PC. There also we will have to clear after remaining or retaining data. So what we will do guys here, just of course, we will come in a trial mode. Don't have to pay here. Just we will come on here. Sorry, it came in the actually another model. So here we will close and of course we will back and this is here we will select this one. We will come to show device console where it is, of course files, we will come here. Now we will try to clear this, of course clear at least 20 times we will have to clear guys. So see, almost it's clearing. We will back and one more time we will go for here. Of course we will go here. Now we had to download IPSW or firmware latest beta version guys. So latest beta version, if we download, how it is, of course you will have to go to on a ipsw.beta.com and there we can download it directly from 3u dot, of course come here also we can download. So now on the other hand we will come on a here 3u tool. Of course we can here come in a REC mode, hit this ones, of course cancels this array, of course we can close it and now it's a closing guys. Now what we will have to do, now it's in a DFU mode, so just we will come in a smart options and of course now see here this device is synced now in a recovery. We can close and here one latest beta version especially we will have to import. So this is a C fourth beta version we would like to import. So of course we will come on a 20A beta version that I have downloaded here. See, this is a 18.4 F is here and what's the version is recommending here, there is a 50, no this is a 32A. so 32A beta version we have or not, so we will check it out. 22A and of course we will go for here 16 18. So of course now this is 22A F. so let's see what are we have another options. We have actually if I click on a beta 4 that is a 200S, if I beta 2 21H and 23 that is a 22F. so this one we have already imported here. Now we will come with this version. We will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, otherwise data wouldn't be, these iCloud activation logs wouldn't be actually unlocked or removed permanently. But don't worry, either your device is blacklisted, a stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, hit this one and we will see further any kind of the error will come down. Either it is blacklisted, a stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, it will work effectively, guys. So don't worry. Similar strategy, of course, you will have to apply. And any kind of the error will comes, then of course we will fix together right now. So now see, we have reached on a 19 percentage. It's a clear, totally, of course, in front of you, timer is going on, and we will see here any error will come. So then, of course, we will try to fix it. Don't worry. Almost 34 percentage we have a cleared, guys. And one thing more that we have a some precaution here. During the flashing process, the device may restart multiple times, so don't disconnect the device. Don't unplug the device, otherwise it will stuck on a Apple logo, guys, on this logo. So you will have a problem. Then up, down, and continue holding off this on a button. We will have to tell it it's not going DFU mode. Then all the tools and driver will be detectable. Otherwise, no one driver will be also functional. So precaution we wear for it, ready for this kind of the challenge. But at your home without any hassle, learn first, apply then. And of course, if you won't able to, then learn again 2 3 times. Watch carefully, step by step, note down, and then you will have to proceed, guys. It's a long procedure. Scarcely it will take a, of course, 20 minutes. And there, without touching on this device here, I will show you that simply I would transfer new Apple ID and password on it. We will see here. And of course, not required to generate any, not required to touch on this device to enter the Apple ID and password. Manually, we are not going to do anything. So just automated ID would be transferred directly. And we will see here also that any error, then of course we will try to fix it spontaneously. I will try to generate new Apple ID and password by virtue of iTunes, and of course also I will endeavor to transfer that ID from iTunes Store, especially on this device. So without touching, we are not going to do anything. Everything will be happens by virtue of iTunes. Just let it succeed 100%. Is then 2 3 crucial steps that we will have to execute on certain time, on the point of time. So beware, of course, be ready for it to watch it till the end of this tutorial. Otherwise, if you miss the one step, you won't be able to, because this is a technical things, so you will have to apply on accurate times. If you miss that times, then why it's requesting EAN on a 50 percentage, don't look on here, look on the physical. What's the processing? More than 70 percentage, 80 percentage we have done it. So there is no chances to have any kind of the error, guys, here now. Within 20 minutes, of course, we will do everything. So now see, more than especially 80%. But try to firstly download this firmware, otherwise you will have a problem, because total size of this firmware is approximately 8 GB, guys. Above the 10 iPhones or X10i especially, yes, total capacity and the size of firmware or IPSW or iOS is more than 5 GB, so it will take time. If data speed is not good in your area, then of course you will have problem. Spontaneously, simultaneously, yes, try to remind it that 3U tool is also working in the reference of Apple database server. Now see right now, guys, this is observing, and here this timer has started here of this my monitor. So we will have to close this monitor quickly, and of course we will have to enable this monitor quickly. So it's working, but don't worry, Just quickly I will open it. So it will take a scarcely 1 minute, and there processing is going on in front of you. Don't worry. Now see. Now we are on a 79% because it's shutting down after 1 hour, so 2 hours, this monitor. So don't worry. Almost we are on a same situation on a 79 percentage, and timer is working in front of you. This video will not be edited. Of course, live will be uploaded because we don't have the much more times to especially edit of this. So now see, it's saying that congratulations, this flash has been completed. So what we will do guys here now, this phone is restarting. Once we can here okay, and we will come in a toolbox and we will wait for batch activation highlighted. For this is a very urgent. When it would be highlighted, then yes, quickly within a 20 second, of course, we will execute these things. So we will see here, this phone is restarting. Fine, of course, we will wait here. We will wait. Now it's highlighted. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now see, it has been reached in the activation and skipping the whole procedure. If any error comes on this point, then remind it you will have to change the internet connection of your PC or laptop and then execute this step once again, because it happens due to, yes, not having a good configuration in an Apple database server. So remind it. Second things, if it is done successfully, then fine. If it's not, then once again, after changing the internet connection, if it's not functional, then once again we will have to find out the sales area of particular this device. Suppose this was a purchase or sold in a, yes, Hong Kong's, then of course we will have to create the virtual private networks on your PC or laptop of Hong Kong. So IP address would be amassed in Apple database server of same location. Then what will happen? Of course this error would be fixed. But finally here not error comes. So now we will come in a deactivation steps and we will confirm that it's going to be a functional or not. It's asking a 10 second guys. So just we will wait for 10 second. Yes, now the activation step is finally done. So now it's the time to once again to have the good configuration in a Apple database server. And see here, of course we will come to select the language here. Now see, it's assessing a data, and what's the message that coming here. See, let it assess a data. Yes, it's assessing a data, but welcome to new ones. Fans, there is no any links now on this device. So in that conditions, what we will proceed, we will have to proceed the language and of course country. So let's see, we will select the country and thereupon of course we will go for here. So yes, let me have, we will back and of course select the language, select the country, and of course we will go for, before in going on next, we will have an option that create new Apple ID and password. Now just we will go for here, select the country and see what will happens. Now it's signaling that of course you have an opportunity to create the strong, of course, email, password, verify password, select term and condition, we can go for continue. Means here from this side we don't have any options to create new Apple ID and password from here. Now see, it's taking a time, no problem at all. Just when it will come in a contact of Apple database server, see what will happens. But on this ID particular, there is no now objections. So here we can create a new Apple ID and password. And if the Apple database server is now not functioning properly, but iTunes is given a good signal, then in that condition, see we have one more options that of course we can close it, and we will come in here in a toolbox and see it has gone, guys. No problem at all. Now what we will do here, just simply we will cancel, and of course we will come in a setting to, of course we will check it out, and we will go for sign in sign in here. We will have to enter Apple ID, and we can also, if we don't, then we can go for don't have, and then if I go for no need to sign here, just simply we will come on here to generate a new Apple ID, password verification, and go for this ID would be directly transferred. Now, one thing more, SIM card is not working, network carrier lock is not working. We will come in a virtual location, and we will go for restore the true location. So let's now, it's going to true location, and SIM card, everything will be fully functional, guys. But with the help of jailbreaks, if you do, then you won't be able to do these things, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. How do you like these tutorials? Leave the feedbacks below the comment box. Any confusion, any query, any kind of the challenges to bypass the permanent iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone's device. If you're facing, blindly raise the query below the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. So now see, it's directly on a home screen. There is no locked links, anything. If I go for screen passcode, where it is, let me check it out. Everything is disabled. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.